Welcome to this special edition of Frequency Matters, the RF and Microwave Update. I'm Pat Hindle. I'm here with my co-host Gary LaRude and special guest Steve Ellis, Product Line Manager of Interconnect at Pasternak. Welcome.
Thank you.
So you've introduced a lot of products year after year, and now you're bringing online some high reliability cables. Can you tell us about that product offering?
Sure. Well, Pasternak, as you know, for many years has been in the business of supplying product quickly to solve customers' needs, and we serve that niche in the marketplace of having stuff to ship same day. Well, we found that in the cable assembly world that there was a need for quicker turn on high reliability cables, products that traditionally would take 16 to 18 weeks through quoting process, documentation, and back and forth to be able to get the product. So what we're doing is we're introducing a line of product that has mill-grade materials with lot control and full testing, and then we're able to supply those to the customer same day.
Wow.
So can you tell us a little bit more about how that idea developed?
So the idea was that through our tech representatives, we make custom cables almost every day with some sort of request that comes in. But there's a certain segment of the market that we just can't fill. That was because of their special requirements. And we've introduced over the years other products that fill that need, sort of a COTS, commercial off-the-shelf product, in amplifiers and other areas. So we wanted to serve that need in the cable assembly world as well. We feel it's a great service, reduces cost, reduces lead time, allows people to finish their product on time. That's the idea behind this.
So what are the key features that these cables will have that will allow people to use them for these A&D programs?
So the main features are they need a high quality product using high quality traceable material and full testing that verifies that performance. So Pasternak invested quite a bit of money in materials, in equipment, in facilities, and in developing processes and training so that we can fill those needs and have them on the shelf or be able to turn them quickly. And the things that the customer needs is lot traceability, to be able to control the material and know where it came from. They need some sort of guarantee of the performance, and so we give them test reports. And they also need to know that they can go back and have records of this material, and we can do that as well to help with the quality assurance side of things.
Interesting. So obviously there are a lot of different applications for high rel cables. Can you talk a little bit about it, how you're going to build out the product line in terms of the different models and types of cables and so forth?
We started with product that is already part of the MIL DTL QPL product. We added a series of 6 different coax types, and they're all MIL DTL RG style cable. These perform generally up to 12 gigahertz, and we have 4 basic connector types available there: BNC, Type N, SMA, and TNC. In the next phases, what we're going to do is we introduce high performance cables that will take this further into maybe reaching up to 18 gigahertz. And the way we're doing that is we're adding a high performance low loss cable line, but these are not MIL DTL product. So typically customers would require a set of standards be met and also some operations such as thermal conditioning to make sure that this cable is not going to change in performance over time. So we've added those criteria, and we actually thermal cycle all of the coax prior to assembly. So the product line will continue to expand, but right now we have this offering of about 9 different coax types and about 6 different connector types.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, it seems to be very innovative. Pat and I both have some experience in our background working with cable assemblies for aerospace and defense, and as you say, very long lead times typically. So it sounds like you're really breaking that barrier.
Yes, that's the whole purpose of this. Reduce the cost because you're reducing all that man hours and all the documentation that's required. What they're doing is they're buying a predefined product with a fully detailed data sheet, and that data sheet outlines all of the materials and the processes that are followed. And then you get a full report that gives you all of the pass-fail criteria, it gives you the performance, and every part is serialized and labeled so that that material can be traced back to the documentation.
Well, thanks, Steve, for coming by and talking to us about this innovative approach to high rel cable assemblies.
Thank you very much.